Here we go, fourth graders, for your vocabulary lesson. Today, we're going to read about something called the Tunguska event and learn about a couple words. I'm going to read to you the first 3 paragraphs of this text. More than 100 years ago, in a remote region of Earth, an extraordinary event happened. It is known as the Tunguska event because it took place near the Tunguska River in Siberia. Siberia, part of Russia, is a cold, snowy region near the North Pole where few people live. The region is known for deep forests, freezing winters, and herds of wild reindeer. The Tunguska event happened early in the morning of June 30th, 1908. People who saw it said that suddenly, high above the forest, the northern sky lit up as if it were on fire. The air grew hot, and ferocious winds roared down from the sky. There was a huge explosion high up in the air, so powerful that the ground below shook violently. People heard deafening bangs. As the fiery lights in the sky began to fade, people stared in awe at the wreckage on the ground. Something indescribable had just happened. Over an area of 800 square miles, millions of trees had been flattened. They lay on their sides like piles of toothpicks. Everything was destroyed. But why? The cause of the destruction was a mystery. So our first word we're going to look at is awe. So it says here, people stared in awe at the wreckage. What awe means is it's a mix of fear, respect, and wonder. So when they're staring at that wreckage, they're kind of fearing it, they're wondering what's going on, and I don't know that the respect part really makes a lot of sense here. So now what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video, and in your head, I want you to think, what does awe mean? So awe, by the way, is a noun. Now what you can do is go to your reading page and fill in a definition for awe and then insert the drawing. When you're done with that, come back to this video for the next word. The next word we're going to look at is indescribable. So it says something indescribable had just happened when they're talking about this wreckage from this event. So when something is indescribable, it means that it's impossible to describe. So now pause the video again, and in your own words, say what indescribable means. Now that you're done with that, you come back to your vocab journal. Indescribable is an adjective. Write your own definition and do a drawing. Remember, you have 2 options for drawings. You can do a Google drawing by going to Insert and Drawing. Make sure that you click right here where you want it, or you can do a drawing on a piece of paper, take a picture, and insert it. So you have 2 vocab words to do.